Alright guys, hey, welcome back to Jeep.tv. So today I'm going to leave this decision all up to you. We got a couple things that need to be put in the JKU, the little project we've been working on. And it's a rugged radio GMRS 25 watt. We got an aux beam, switch panel controller, 6 position, and we have ARB compressor, the tiny one that needs to be put in. Which one do you want to see first? I'm going to leave that entirely up to you guys. So whichever one you want to see, leave a message down below and let me know which one you want to see. I'd be kind of interested to see what you guys are interested in. Alright, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and all that other stuff. Scrambler project. Oh, when am I gonna have time to put gears in the JK? Power lights that I gotta put on the relocate the lift. And then I want to relocate. I want to get rid of the hot